Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you today? Let me introduce myself. My name is Aisyah Viditiara Nadia Putri, and you can call me Miss Aisyah. In this occasion, I will discuss about learning video. On the first meeting, we are going to learn about greeting, and also we are going to learn about how we greet someone, the kinds of greeting or leave taking, and also the responses.
Chapter 1 Greeting and leave taking or parting. Greeting atau ungkapan salam. Di dalam belajar bahasa Inggris, materi yang paling awal diajarkan adalah mengenai ungkapan salam atau sapaan, atau yang biasa disebut dalam bahasa Inggris greeting, dan ungkapan perpisahan atau parting or leave taking. Materi tersebut selalu diajarkan di level paling dasar. Contohnya di SD kelas 1, di SMP atau di MTS kelas 7, dan di SMA atau di SMK kelas 10. Materi ini menjadi materi pembuka di pembelajaran karena memang sebelum mempelajari materi yang lain, materi inilah yang paling awal diperkenalkan kepada anak-anak. Dalam chapter 1 ini, peserta didik diharapkan nantinya mampu berkomunikasi secara lisan maupun tulisan. Definisi greeting. Greeting berasal dari kata kerja atau verb to greet, yang artinya menyapa atau memberi salam. Jadi, greeting adalah ungkapan sapaan atau salam yang ditujukan kepada orang baik secara formal atau secara informal. There are two kinds of greeting. The first one is formal greeting and the second one is informal greeting. Formal greeting atau sapaan resmi. Formal greeting is used in formal situation and it is usually used when you meet someone for the first time or he or she is older than you. Di bawah adalah percakapan di antara anak dan ayah, ibu dan anak, serta guru dan siswa. Good morning, Dad. Good morning. How are you? Good morning, Siti. How are you? And you can respond it with good morning, Mom. I'm fine. Thanks. Good morning, Lina. How are you? And the student answer with good morning, Mrs. Rita. I'm fine. Thank you. Berikut adalah contoh sapaan resmi. Jika seseorang mengatakan good morning, you can answer it with good morning. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Good evening, you can answer it with good evening. Good night, you can answer it with good night. And how do you do, you can answer it with how do you do. Di samping adalah contoh percakapan. Gambar pertama adalah percakapan antara guru dan murid pramuka. Good evening everybody, how are you? And the student answered with, good evening sir, we are fine, thanks. How are you sir? And the teacher respond with, fine, thanks. Gambar kedua adalah percakapan di antara guru dan murid. Good evening sir. And the teacher answered with, hi, good evening, how are you? I'm fine sir. Gambar ketiga adalah percakapan di antara suami istri. Good evening, Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Good evening, Mr. and Mrs. Adnan. How are you? We are fine, thank you. Dan yang terakhir adalah percakapan antara orator and the audience. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? And the audience answer with good evening, good. Selanjutnya adalah informal greeting atau sapaan tidak resmi. Informal greeting is used for non-formal situation when you meet someone you know. Informal greeting are typically used to casually greet someone you have met before. Jadi, informal greeting atau sapaan tidak resmi digunakan untuk menyapa seseorang yang sudah kita kenal sebelumnya, seperti keluarga, teman, atau sahabat kita. Good morning, Lina. And the answer, good morning, Benny. How are you? Hi, Benny. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How about you? I'm fine too, thank you. Berikut adalah contoh sapaan tidak resmi dan responnya. Hello or hi. You can respond it with hello or hi. Hello, how are you? And the answer is I'm fine, thank you. How are you doing? And you can answer with I'm very well, thank you. Nice to meet you. And nice to meet you too. What's up? You can answer it with just fine, thanks. And what news? You can answer it with great, thanks. And how's everything? You can answer it with pretty well. What about you? And good to see you. You can answer it with good to see you too. Di samping adalah contoh percakapan tidak resmi. Hi, good morning. How are you? Hi, I'm fine, thanks. And you? Hi, good morning. How are you? Hello, good morning, Siti. And the next is good afternoon, Mr. Ahmad. Good afternoon, Siti. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Thank you. Hi, guys. How are you? And the answer, hi, we are fine, thanks. Selanjutnya adalah asking questions atau bertanya. Ketika melakukan percakapan, baik bila kita selingi dengan bertanya kepada lawan bicara kita, dapat dengan menanyakan conditions atau hal lain yang ingin kita ketahui. Berikut adalah contoh percakapan yang menanyakan conditions. Good evening, Dad. Are you tired? Good evening, Benny. Yes, I'm very tired. I want to take a bath and then have dinner. Good evening, Mom. I feel tired and hungry. Good evening, Edo. Of course you are. Take a bath and then have your dinner. Berikut adalah catatan yang perlu diperhatikan saat melakukan greeting atau leave taking. Good morning diucapkan antara pukul 12 dini hari sampai 12 siang. Good afternoon diucapkan antara pukul 12 siang sampai jam 6 sore. Good evening diucapkan di antara pukul jam 6 sore sampai menjelang tidur. Dan good night diucapkan saat berpisah pada malam hari atau akan tidur. And the next is leave taking or parting atau berpamitan atau berpisah. Sama halnya dengan greeting, ungkapan leave taking or parting mempunyai dua jenis, yaitu formal dan informal. Berikut adalah contohnya. Goodbye, Mom. Bye, Edo. Take care. See you later. See you later. See you. Take care. And the next, good night. Have a nice dream. Good night. Have a nice dream too. And good morning. Good night, Mom. Good night, dear. Good night, Dad. Berikut adalah contoh berpamitan atau berpisah secara resmi. Goodbye bisa dijawab dengan goodbye. And nice to see you. You can answer it with nice to see you too. And it's nice to meet you. And the response is nice to meet you too. Berikut adalah contohnya. Goodbye, Mom. See you on Sunday. Goodbye, Siti, Benny. Take care. See you on Sunday. Goodbye, Mrs. Ahmad. Berikut adalah ungkapan berpamitan atau berpisah secara tidak resmi. Bye. You can answer it with bye. Bye-bye. You can answer it with bye-bye. See you later. You can respond with see you. See you tomorrow. You can respond with see you and take care. You can respond with you too. Berikut adalah contohnya. See you tomorrow, guys. See you. Take care. See you later. Take care. I have to rush. Bye. See you this afternoon. Lena, I'm seeing Grandma now. She's not feeling well. There are some cupcakes and some oranges in the fridge for you and Dayu. Bye. See you soon. Alright, everybody. I'll see you again tomorrow morning. Good night. Good night, sir. See you tomorrow. Bye, Udin. Get well soon. Bye, Udin. Wish us luck, okay? Sure. Bye, Denny and Edu. Good luck. See you next Monday.
So, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.